Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this maths problem by using the Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we calculate the roots. Simplify the roots and orders. Now calculate root 36, which is 6. And after we'll calculate cube root of 216 and according we'll get 6. According to this step, roots must be simplified to numbers before solving the brackets. And now the current expression become 90 divided by square bracket 5 plus curly bracket 6 minus 2 curly bracket of square bracket of plus 6. Move to the next step. Solve the curly brackets. Now calculate the operations inside the curly brackets. Now 6 minus 2 and we'll get 4. According to this step, Bodmas requires solving the innermost bracket first. And now the current expression become 90 divided by square bracket 5 plus 4 square bracket of plus 6. Move to next step. Calculate the square brackets. Now according to this, solve the operations inside the square brackets, which is 5 plus 4 and equals to 9. In this equation, remove the next outer set of brackets and now the current expression become 90 divided by 9 plus 6. Move to next step, perform division. Now divide the values. 90 divided by 9 will get 10. According to this step, division take priority over the addition in Bodmas. And now the current expression become 10 plus 6. Move to next step, addition. Now finally, this is the final remaining operations and add the values. 10 plus 6, according to this, will get 16. And 16, the final simplified value is 16. So now according to this expression, by using the Bodmas sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 16. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.